Hi everybody, welcome to Belex Designs and Home Solutions again. Today we're going to be talking about Airbnb again, another common and popular topic. And if you've bought an Airbnb and it's your first one, well done. It's always quite difficult to achieve that. That's a good one. Well done to you. And I've come with almost 10 years of Airbnb experiences where I help set up clients Airbnb and for mine. And the objective here is to kind of support those that are still starting and they don't know where to start. Today it's going to be about bathrooms, the 10 must have. So, and by the way, if you've listened this far, and would probably kindly ask if you can subscribe to my channel to support the cause so we get more of these out to people that might find this interesting. Please hit the subscribe button. And without further ado, let's go straight to the point. Number one is, having a bath or a shower in your toilet, or better still, both. So you need, a shower. Could be a walk-in shower, or make it easy and accessible, especially for those that have got kids, to make sure that that is easily accessible, especially for kids. So any shower, as you can see on the screen there, that's a bath if you've got a bath and maybe a shower, or maybe you just want shower is fine. So if you got a bath and a shower, that's nice, that's even better. But a shower is kind of okay. So that's the kind of must have. At least you should have something for people to kind of shower in there, or have a wash for those that have washes. So number two is a heated towel rail. So you can see this one like in Chrome, a heated towel rail on there on the screen. So that again is something that you need at least one. If you don't have it, you can do the wooden ones. So I'll show you an example of that on Airbnb. If you don't have a heated towel rail, you can use one of these freestanding towel rack that you can buy off Amazon. That different version of it, but this is just to give you an idea. So this one helps you organize your towels and make it a bit more stylish and organized. So this is other options that you can use if you haven't really got a towel rail mounted on the wall, but at least you should get somewhere that people can put their towels on when it's actually they've dried themselves, it's wet. So you don't want a damp towel in the bedroom, otherwise it's kind of like stings. And obviously with ventilated windows in that bedroom, again, that's really essential, and it's important as well to have a window as well, which might take off some of the damp smell out of the bathroom. Number three is hooks at the back of the door, and that again is to probably put like dressing gowns on. These ones are the sticky ones from Amazon. You don't want to. I mean, not all doors you can hang like the normal hanging ones on there, which I'm going to show you in a bit. But these sticky ones are quite handy. You can stick it on the wall or behind the door. It's easy for people to take their dressing gown and just pop it on there if they needed to shower. So that's something that you definitely need as well. This is the over the door hook. So that one you don't need to drill, put anywhere, put it over the door if you can fit. And then there's options where you can put over the door, behind the door in your bathroom. So yeah, you've got both, two of them. Whichever colors, actually, it depends on the style of your Airbnb. So if you want to, put it any colors to accentuate the look or just to blend and make it stylish, and then that's up to you. But those are the kind of like number three hooks at the back of the door. Number four is a basin to wash hands and toilets. It's, again, if it comes in a vanity unit or all set up like this, and then that's fine, but at least you need both of them. And also make sure that you have a toilet that can actually really flush. If you've got water problems, please talk to a plumber to sort that out for you, because sometimes you're going to have bad reviews for that, especially when guests tend to, maybe more than one guest use the toilet and the next person can't flush the toilet. So you really need to watch out for that. Test it If it's not working, then please get a plumber to look at it and make sure that your water is okay. You've got number 5. Your number 5 is a mirror, and please make sure you've got a mirror in your bathroom. I've actually been to some Airbnb where you've got no mirrors in there. So if it's gonna be a bit much better if it's a LED mirrors, because that's the new trend now. So I think we're gonna lift the room up, or even make it easy, especially those that wear makeup. If you haven't got one in your bedroom, and then it is okay to kind of just have a standard one. But L&D is much better. Trust me, it's quite modern these days. Yeah, you can buy one. It's not really that expensive from Amazon. Either or put one in a room. It's fine. But if you haven't got it, it's not the end of the world. But it is a nice to have with an L&D. But a must have is a mirror in that bathroom. You need one mirror in your bathroom for your guests. So yes, so that's another option. So number 6 is a really nice toilet roll holder. I've got one there on the screen from Amazon. It's good. It's got the flat surface where people can pop their phones on there, for those that actually use phones in the bathroom. But yeah, people do use it. So yes, get one from Amazon. It's not expensive, but don't plug toilet rolls on top of the toilet seat. No, at least put it on a holder for people to use it. So at least you need one of that for you to use. So that's your number 6 there. Number 7 is shaver point. Oh, please, please, please make sure your bathroom hasn't got this. If you haven't got it, get an electrician to do this, because you get people traveling. They need to, shave before they go to work and look good for the men. Yeah, some women do shave as well. So whatever you do, make sure you've got a shaver point in your bathroom for people to shave, because these are actually meant for shaving machines. Not every shaving machine has got a point where you can put on the socket. So I do recommend you have that. This is one of the must have for you. It's a toilet brush with a holder. So they are, other toilet brush holders that comes in, chrome, metallic, and it get rusted easily, and that is disgusting. And it means you have to clean it all the time, because when water get on it, depending on the size of your bathroom, if water gets in it, so it just make it rusted. So you don't really want that. You don't really want that. Get something that has got, it's not really metal, it's easy. But if you can manage the metal one, that's okay. But it's just a recommendation. Get a good quality plastic one, or the ones that comes in like glass-like shape. That one on the screen as well is quite good. It's stylish on its own. So yeah, and you can probably plug it on the wall because it's got the plastic stuff on it. So yeah, so this one you can find it on Amazon. Again, I'll put the links for you to kind of buy them if you like it. Number 9 is soap dispensers and beakers. So you've got a set of beakers here where you put, actually people can use like plastic cups to brush their teeth and put their toothbrushes in there. So you got a whole set and a soap dispenser on there. You can buy one of these off Amazon. As I said, it's not expensive, maybe about 20 quid. That's an option for you to buy that. But one thing again I want to recommend is to actually have soap that has been labeled, especially for those that don't speak local language. They can make a screenshot and Google Translate it if somebody comes from a foreign country into your Airbnb, because people have shampoo, conditioner. People kind of make mistakes on that depending on how the texture of the shampoo, the conditioner, or the shower gel is. So if you've got one of those, it's good to label them. It makes it easy for people to use, and it actually lifts your Airbnb up a little bit. Just adding a little bit here and there makes it a bit more stylish, and it helps as well with your reviews as well. So if you've got those dispensers, Poms for shampoo, conditioner, which is quite label, you can get that just $29 in a way on Amazon. So you've got the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So you can actually buy, really, really big soap dispenser, not soaps actually, and gel, shower gel, conditioner and shampoo from Costco in big containers if you run an Airbnb, and you can use these dispensers to kind of refill them, or maybe put them, apportion them for your customers to use them. So that is another good one, and actually it's cost effective. You only buy these bottles once and then you top it up from Costco, or when you buy any of these shower gel or conditioner or body wash. So yeah, so that is your number 9. And if you're still here watching, thank you for doing that. And also please hit the subscribe button. And the last piece of and your final one again is your number 10, a trash bin. Make sure it's got a lid on it. Make sure it's got a pedal on it. As you can see here, there's a pedal there. So I do go for quality plastic, and the reason people say use the stainless steel one, or people have got different opinions on this, but mine is because of the rust, and it's easy, and this one is eco-friendly as well. So it's good quality. So far as it looks solid and its qualities, it's a pedal bin, it's got a lid on it, it does the job. So that's okay. Other people may have different opinion, but this is mine based on my own experience. So yeah, so that's our last and final one. And again, I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Please let me know in the comment section if you want me to share more of these and what topics you would like to hear from me. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and feel free to share my videos. And yeah, see you another time. Bye for now.